Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Friday. Yeah, I know it's not my usual day, but I have an unboxing. And I think I showed you a little bit of this one a long time ago, and I said I was going to do a full unboxing on it, and I never got to it. So I'm like, why not? So it's actually, I got this at the Dollar Tree. Yeah, it was only $1, and it's Disney Star Darlings Wish Cards and Book. It's cute. It might be for a little kid, but I thought it was cute. You know, so why not? Let's see. The Star Darlings guide us and help make our wishes come true. The special deck of wish cards lets you bring the magical powers of the Star Darlings into your everyday. Choose a card and look up the message it has for you about your true wish and how to make it a reality. This package includes 52 wish cards and 64-page wish book. So yeah, I just thought it was cute, and I showed you some of the cards, but I never showed you all of it because I think I was doing a haul that day. So I'm like, why not show you all of them this time? I have time. I'm not doing anything today. All right. Well, I should say tonight. And it's not in any particular order. It's just, I shuffled them, I played with them and stuff. So this one's Quizzle. And I'll pull a couple cards after too. Why not, It's Friday. Why not have some fun, right? Negative energy. Faculty. Twinklope. They have some weird names on here, but hey. Libby. And it's fun if you're into cards and your kids want to play or whatever, you can get it for them. Lunalight. Bot Mo J4. Gotta love Disney, right? We're all kids at heart. Ravenstone. Wish Giving Day. Azurica. Moonbug. That's a cute name. It's a cute card. I think they're just cute, It's just something fun. Sometimes we don't have to be serious all the time, We have to let the inner child out and play sometimes. Gossamer. Coralite. Panthera. Galliope. That's cute. All right. Dewump. I can't read that one. Piper. Starzap. Adora. Tessa. Zing. I love the names on here. They're really out there. Glisten Pour. Leona. Wishob. Star Car, Astra, Cassie. The cardstock's pretty good too for, just getting there at the dollar store. Lady Stella, Time of New Beginnings, Lavenderite, Gemma, Clover, Shooting Star, the Wish House. I wouldn't mind having a wish house. Dreamalite, Balloon Blossom Tree, Glamora, Charmelite. I'm digging the names on here. Starlet, or Scarlet, I should say. Vega. Cocomoons. That one's way out there. Zoomberry Cake. Let's see. Feather. Jaffer. Crystal Mountains and Luminous Lake. Little Dipper Dorm. That one's cute. Vivica. Rincora. Scatterite. Gleon. Aussie Fruit. Glofer. That one's cute too. Flutter Focus. And the last card is Sage. All right. In the book, of course, it has everything on here. It has, let's see, 52 pages. And it gives you wishes. When you make a wish, it becomes a tiny iridescent ball of energy called a wish orb. Each orb rises into the sky, joining hundreds of other wishes. They travel up through space, destined for Starland. When the time is right for a wish to be granted, a starling travels down to Earth, or Wish World, as they call it, to help make the wish come true. But is it your job to focus on your wish and realize that you have the power within you to create the life of your dreams? Celebrate your uniqueness, think positively, and take action. And it just tells you about the book. How to choose your wish card. 1. Spread the Star Darling cards face down on a table and pick one. 2. Shuffle the deck, cut it in half, and your Star Darling cards will be revealed. 3. Fan the cards out face down and choose whichever one your instinct tells you to. Once you have your card, use the number on it to find the page that corresponds in the book. It will reveal what you need to know about a Star Darling, object or place in Starland, and how it relates to you and your wish. So this is basically just like almost like oracle cards or you know, even tarot for kids or whatever. So I think it's just something fun, you know. All right. Let's see. I think I got these all mixed up. Hold on. All right. I just had one mixed up. Okay, let's shuffle them. Let's see what we get. Why not, right? I just think these are so cute, you know. Like I said, something playful, something, you know, when you don't want to really be serious and, you know, you want a message and everything. Something cute. You know, sometimes we just need a little cuteness in our life. All right. Let's split them in half and see what we get. I'll pick let's do like a weekly reading too, why not? All right, we got Juderwomp. And this one is 49. So that's for the beginning of the week. Let's see what 49 has to tell us. All right, Juderwomp. This is a blue and green barrel-like bush capable of pulling up its own roots and rolling like tumbleweed, then planting itself again. Choosing this card means that you have a strong wish to keep moving forward and focus on the goals that will help you grow. To do this, you should accept new challenges whenever they pop up. So that's for the beginning of the week. Accept new challenges for the beginning of the week. All right. And let's see what's for the middle of the week. I gotta fix my glasses, they keep falling down. Gopher. 46. Let's see what this one has to tell us. All right. Gopher. These creatures come out at night to feast on flowers. They fly on gossamer wings that are barely strong enough to hold up their plump bodies. Cassie has a pet gopher named Itty. Choosing this card means you wish for a pet or animal to love, to care for a sweet little creature. Volunteer to work with animals at a local shelter or adopt or foster one. That's cute. Gives you something to do, and, you know, and who does not want a cute little furry animal? Whether it's a cat, a dog, or, you know, a hamster or a ferret. You know, we all want something, right? So that's for the middle of the week. And the end of the week is Flutter Focus, 47. All right, let's see what this one has to say. These creatures are brightly colored, flying bugs with illuminated wings. They travel in swarms. It's considered good luck to have one land on you and tickle your nose. Choosing this card means you wish to live more lightly. Your belongings may be weighing you down. Clear clutter from your room, your locker, and other spaces. It's always good to declutter things. So, for the weekend, just, you know, declutter everything that you need to declutter. All right, guys, let me know what you think about this. I think it's a very, very, very cute little deck. And like I said, I got it at the Dollar Tree, so why not just pick it up, you know? And I just thought it was really cute. So I'll talk to you Sunday. I'm going to try to do Pick a Card Sunday. And, you know, give this a thumbs up if you liked it. Share, subscribe, all those fun things I asked you for. And thank you for watching, guys. And I hope you have a nice night. And enjoy your Friday and have fun, but stay safe. Bye, guys. Mwah. See you later.